crammed at the 11th hour, burnt the midnight oil, and then some last night. I hit the sack, caught a few Zeds. I'm cool, I'm alright. The crash course was a piece of cake. It was a cinch, easy as pie. I won't beat around the bush, I was in over my head. You've caught my eye. Oh, alright, don't badmouth me. It cost me an arm and a leg. It was a hassle, I couldn't make heads or tails of it. I was in over my head. I'm fed up with being a couch potato, because there's a catch. I'm broke, I was too green. I counted my chickens before they'd hatched. I'm beating my brains out. How come I've got no get up and go? I'm feeling blue down in the dumps. I used to be a head honcho. The bottom line is things are getting out of hand. I'm in the red, not in the black. I jumped the gun, I was big-headed, and I got the sack. No hard feelings, he got his wires crossed. Now I'm all ears. He makes a mountain out of a molehill, jumps to conclusions with far-fetched ideas. Okay, I'm fed up, cool it, cut it out, I'm not blowing my top. I've made up my mind, it's cost me a bundle. He's nuts and lost the plot. He's got on my nerves, I'm no spring chicken, alright, call it a day. It was a low blow, pretty dodgy, I know you've been on the go anyway. The project's been up and running, it needs a move on and some elbow grease. If you can make heads or tails of it, keep an eye on it, keep the peace. I'll be on the road for ages, I'll hit the road and hit the books, day and night. It won't be over until he gets it, he's a blabbermouth, he gets a kick out of being right. It's bugging me, give me a hand, I've been dragging my feet. Don't bite off more than you can chew, lend me $10, I'll grab a bite to eat. It broke my heart, now it's cool, I've made it before by the skin of my teeth. Easy does it, lend me a hand now and then, I go with the flow and belief. I'll get going, it's getting out of hand, I'm used to being up and down. Backwards and forwards, inside out, round and round. Stay in touch, keep an eye out for me, and keep your fingers crossed. I won't let sleeping dogs lie. I feel let down, he can get lost. Keep your chin up, you've got your hands full, you're a real go-getter. Don't change your mind, keep on it. Kids make you feel better. Bite off more than you can chew. Get real, before long you'll have it down pat. Don't change your mind or be kidding. No way, by yourself, that's that. How come it's been lousy? Beats me, it'll be done in time. I'll be in and out now and then. You're a know-all, but that's fine.